and hardly in Georgia there exists any other rank higher than that of Stumari. Stumari is a gift of God, said someone a long time ago, and we all agreed.
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for York County in south-central Pennsylvania until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm warning replaces the severe thunderstorm watch that was in effect for the same area. Go to the lowest floor. For your protection,